The remaining works that I could project to be done is one, the widening of the Molo Boulevard, which is also one of the big projects. But as of now, we are requesting for the funding for the relocation of the affected, supposed to be affected areas. Barangay Boulevard, Santo Niño. We have just proposed the budget for the relocation. Not yet with the infra aspect, because as I have said, so the policy now of the department is that we will first clear the area from informal settlers or formal settlers. Then that's the time now we could request for funding for infra component. Possibly it will be included in 2018. We have requested for the funding for the relocation. We have survey conducted, so more or less maybe there are hundreds. So we plan to expand on the seaside. I could see that, but this is just a plan. It will depend on the national government if they will release the budget, because we have just requested, we have just proposed the funding for the approval of the higher authorities. So in the event that it will be approved, so we will start. I must make it clear that only those under the law, only those resident buildings which are utilized mainly for residential purposes are entitled for relocation. The business establishment are not entitled for relocation. No compensation, because so there are also, I have noticed there are also establishment which is utilized for commercial, then we are utilizing it for residential, but we will determine. It will depend, no? It will depend. Okay, because this is, if we could clear that area and improve the road along that area, this is potential road for tourism. As of now, we have discussed that before, no? But we have no detailed discussion about it. So this is just in a way my proposal. So it will depend on the endorsement also of the congressman to the higher authorities. So, but with respect to DPWH, if the funds will be given to us, we will do the clearing of that area, because actually under the law that is already national road, and national roads should have a minimum of 20-meter road right of way. So we should have we have a department of there requiring us to clear that area of informal settlement. Ideally, we are supposed to, on the right side, on the line side, we should clear at least 2 meters. On the other side, if the widening is will post to, we intend on the seaside